Hello, YouTubers. Hi. It's me, Callie. Why am I so uncomfortable? I'm gonna show you how to build some shelves. It's too aggressive. Howdy, folks, and welcome. This is Callie's Creative Life. Callie here. I create stuff. God, why am I so strange? Ugh, just be normal. Okay. Yes, hello. Hi. Thought I'd bring you guys along on my journey building these shelves you see behind me here. There's two of them. I built them.
I was a king before they turned away from me. Before I go, make sure to take my hard-earned pay.
Watch my allies flee.
For the penitentiary, I promise you that I will be victorious.
Measure your space. Find out how much wood you need. Go to Home Depot and say, "Pretty please, Home Depot, cut this to the length I need." And they'll do it for you for free. So you don't need to have a jigsaw or a circle saw or anything fancy to cut your wood, or a regular saw, whatever. You don't need any tools to cut your wood because Home Depot will just do it for you. And bring it home, sand it down. You need screws, a couple brackets, some stain if you want. Leave them bare, I don't know, I don't care. You do whatever you want. You do you.
Take everyone and hide.
They'll turn against anyone different.
So when I was a boy, my mother always said to me,
Don't trust a soul and never let your guard down. Say what you wanted to me, and you just broke my heart in 2,000 pieces. So take what you wanted from me, and you just stole my pride. But I promise you that I will be victorious. Begging you please to remove me from this dictatorship, then watch me grow as you wither away. Send me to my nightmare.
take this letter, watch it ignite and burn it to the ground. Take this letter, watch it ignite and burn it to the ground. Take this letter, watch it ignite and burn it
Send me
to
to
the
my
ground.
nightmare. I can't be here.
Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for my bathroom makeover coming up in my next video.